nowadays I'm single mothers. Himu mama, himu baba lapha. You can't be a dad, bro. You can't play that role, bro. Whenever you are sweetheart, you do what you do.
I think we are intervening because there are certain things of ukufundiswa zona. At clinic they just via. Okay.
I was like, why am I out if I have my earring? I know we were far, but like I was like me personally, I was like, why am I out? You're Slovenia.
But if you're jinging, you go.
At the end of the day, we can even say Gucci, Opega, Umund is part of GD.
Emanzi. And the mountain time put off manzi mobamba so yabona amafutha uyabona amanzi. Sithole ayihlangani. Nese but.
Ninja Nation to the world, guys. Let's supporting Abafana. The reason they are not doing drugs, the reason they are not doing independent is because of they're inspired of something else, guys. So as you can see, Ninja Nation is here. Impact and
No Cap Podcast. Up next.
Hi guys, welcome to another special episode, guys, of No Cap. This is episode 10, guys. Guys, let's give a shout. Round of applause, guys. Guys. So, guys, if you are new to the channel, is me, aka Mfana Watimboti. So, if you wanna know what does Mfana Watimboti mean, I'll see you in the comment section so I can cook for you.
Yeah.
Please, man. Please, guys, subscribe, guys, like, comment. We see you guys there. You're the circles of this world. You're
my mama.
Hey, mommy is there. So yeah, man. So we really appreciate you guys for showing us some love. For being there in the comment section, guys. We are who we are because of you guys. You are there for us, guys. As you can see, I'm not alone, guys. Plus, we got a special person in the morning. So I'm gonna start on my far. Okay, I'm gonna. So let me start this. But someone told.
Yeah.
No, so Katarina here. Start now. Let's cook, daughter.
Cook.
This is you. Okay.
Salvan mafethu bathi impozilona ngana kwaZungu ngihambi ngedwa as always mafethu namhlanje ngesiphethe ushukela
Abakudala cream. Abafethu ponjo. Sanibona bafethu uTsako mabuza lokukhulumayo intombi lezinto. Yazi ke bafethu asivule singakasho ukuthi please subscribe. Like and press that notification bell so that every time we drop bafethu niyazi zifike kini kuqala niyazi as always guys usithola shilo wasamsodwa uzozintroduce abathi save angazi last for the best of
Jumpa lapho daughter.
Some people hero aka Mama's boy.
Shum. Hi guys. Guys, today we have like a special somebody. You know, we've been cooking. I told you guys. Every now and then we're gonna be coming with a bag. We're coming with like new superstars on the game, guys. Special, please introduce yourself.
Yeah, sure, it's your boy Uncle Gizmo.
Gizmo! Yeah. Shout out. But like I see all of these guys, these people are selfish, guys. Everybody's wearing ninja here. I'm the only one who's not wearing shit, nigga. These people are not supplying me, though. What's up?
I know, guys.
Skipper.
Ntelena Teng. Yeah, Mila Teng.
Oh,
Sekuyabanda man. Yabanda.
Yeah,
guest
yethu is njengoba izintroducing isitshele ukuthi
cause nakhona me I want to get straight to the point Ntwana ne. I see ninja everywhere and then we have like a new guest. So it means a new guest here if especially me. So what inspired you ukuthi ulona ama ninja yini bubukela ama ninja turtles ama cartoons like what inspired you ukuthi uza ne brand ninja Ntwana?
Okay, ninja suka kude yabo.
Okay.
Yeah.
Or else let me put it in this way so to catch you off, ne? What does the word ninja mean to you? Is it what we know ama ninja ngakhona or else
You mean
it means something to you?
Sure, I ninja mean with like I was his squad, like a summer ninja.
Oh, it means he is squad.
He's like ninja. It's my name.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then how many are you then?
Yo, it's my name. Yo, I think 14 March.
14.
Yeah. It's looks like two.
Wait. So let me get this thing right, guys.
Yeah.
Let me get this thing right. So, is Squatty, Summer Ninja, then you guys decided to come with your own brand.
Yeah, the C3 was decided.
So that is where I wanted to go.
Yes.
What inspired you guys with the clothing brand here?
So, Internati is inspiring, yabo. Ukuthi vele as various former squad.
Okay.
Kusane squad vele squad.
Okay.
So, a competition, yabo. So, nathi kuze sisibonakalisa ukuthi khona into esingayenza. So, ngcono sibe nento vele ezozenza ukuthi sipush. So, satisfied ukuthi ayifela senze brand.
Wait. So you're saying equad is igcwele. Equad is ani? Zawuma Jaivani? Equad
Into mix.
so niyajive
Yeah, bakhona abashayivana.
like Panzul.
Isipucho. Nami ngiyasuka ngesipucho.
Yeah.
Wait. So, okay, this butcher. What kind of jive is this butcher?
And she movement.
Like how? Like I don't.
Yeah,
Lentos John
cover is
Charles.
movement.
How?
Yeah.
Then don't we jive when?
Yes.
Oh, so there's like a different squad. Is that right?
Yeah. So like this part, yeah.
Ilabo bajayivayo, ilabo bagcokayo, you get.
Okay. No, we want to know, fella. There's somebody who's out there who doesn't know.
Koni TRM, kona ku TRM abajayivayo.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Exactly.
Oh, again.
Exactly.
So okay, then you were three of you guys.
Yes.
Then you decided to come up with
So
Ninja Nation.
Yeah.
so njengoba seniyi-14 ni-owner nonke niyi-14 orange.
Ngeke ngisho kanjalo. Cause like sithema siyidecide yabo. Vele besi3. Sakhuluma namachita. So amachita bebaslow yabo. Mase kumele ngikhishwe imali. So sivele sadecide ukuthi azibonakala ama-ninja ngempela yabo. Sagcine sayiphusha vele siyitrina. Sayiphusha. Namanje saphusha.
Wait, how long have you guys been pushing Ninja Nation?
Since last year.
This brand.
Yeah. Okwamanje vele thina mina neyami one sibhayiswa ukuthi ku-matric yabo.
Oh, you
Yeah,
guys are like a busy, you know,
Yes.
studying.
So I
Shut up.
Yes.
I know. Shut up. It's called Pambili, guys. So okay, so like because I see there's like different types of ito golana yabona.
Yes.
Kune KPC, kune beanie, kune
Lodge.
babies are needed Lochi.
Yes.
Hey, it's Lochi. Hey, Lochi.
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know it's called Lochi.
Yeah.
It's Lochi as like coming from Ilogish. It's Lochi.
Yes, yeah.
It is what it is.
Yonke into ine-meaning yayo. So kuya ngokuthola.
So okay, like what else do you guys have? Because ngabona lona ufake ihuli, nawo ufake ngathi around neck lona. Samba kanjani like pricing wise?
Like ihudi izoba i-290.
290.
Yeah, izinto sezikhuphukile because of massive stock lapha.
Yeah. Nakhona it's winter now.
Yeah, it's winter. So i-round neck i-270 bafethu. Then i-5 panel it's 100 rand.
Okay.
Then isilo shirt vele since we introduce amathi sisamile nge-140.
140.
Yeah.
And then the beanie
Ipini i-90.
90 rand.
Yeah.
Oh, it's affordable, Moses. That's like.
Bakhala iso ezinye
And then the breaks are
Tudate. Amaglavu khona we-70 khona nawe-80.
Amaka.
Yeah.
Okay. I. So you okay? Because I saw another brand doing a Maraflector. You guys don't have a Maraflector yet.
No, asikaka introduce because very brand siqala ukuba serious ngayo December, around December.
That's where you guys were pushing.
Yeah, ilapho besipusha khona.
No, shout out to you, man. Shout out to you, man. So far ungathi usupportwa ngabantu abanjani? Abucherry, amachita.
Yeah, amacheri namachita yangisupport. Amabhayi.
Bakusapota kakhulu.
Yeah,
Ngisupporta kakhulu ngasho ukuthi amachita.
amachita.
Yeah.
Because the ninjas. Guys, today we're on the 10th episode, right? We don't have a name of our audience. Like, I just thought about it. I was like, yo, bro, now we're pushing 10th episode and they don't have a name. Not Cap. Should we call them Amakepasi?
Yeah.
Like, what should we call them?
Amakepasi.
Don't just say yeah, bro. I want to hear from you.
You know,
I want to hear from you.
somebody's cooking.
Yeah.
I don't know to taste on my head and then to find out which one did you call. So kepas. Yeah.
And then the Munzer.
Yeah.
Auntie, yo, like, bro, let's go, bro. Okay, shout out to Amakepas, guys. Please keep watching. Please keep supporting the channel, guys. Yeah, Sisi Lana, we are cooking. Ninja Nation Lana. If you ever, Abantu, if they wanna follow you, back to that.
Yeah, ngiyathulakala ku Facebook, Ninja Nation Clothing Brand, na ku TikTok,
Oh,
na ku Instagram,
Ninja Nation.
Clothing Brand.
So wait. Because you said you guys are 14th.
Yes.
So you don't get any access to this one, or this one is specifically for you, or
Specifically,
yeah.
It's a ministry side, C3.
So anyone can access that.
I saw.
The 3.
But
No, I'm sure you're on the 3. You
yeah.
can access it.
Wonke ama platforms is now.
Oh, you are calling which now which Ninja Nation
Yeah,
was
yeah,
DMing then.
Yeah.
Okay, and then the number.
The number 069-857-0630.
Shout out.
Yeah.
Repeat it if I box Zaga.
069-857-0630.
Let's
So the futhi uzolekelela ifake.
Yeah, of course.
Uncle Gizmo.
Asupporteni intwana encane.
Bathi phila njengenje
Shout out to Ninja Nation. One more time, guys. Because I got a question, right?
Yeah.
Because now we're done selling Ninja Nation to the world, guys. They're supporting Abafana. The reason they're not doing drugs, the reason they're not doing independent is because of they're inspired of something else, guys. So as you can see, Ninja Nation is here. Impact and Jane. If you guys did take a photo shoot also, please send me this is how this thing suits you guys and whatnot. Sure. I got a question, guys. As you know, I'm always going with cook. So guys, you go to the groove. I want to hear this thing from you guys. Yeah, good groove. Sharp, nice vibes and everything. Let's say Baby Love didn't take Uma Temples, because Uma Temples like ekhaya bamvumelanga or maybe something. Then Baby Love loves somebody at the group. Is it that cheating or she was on the moment? I just want to know. This it doesn't go to my Temples only. So it applies to all of us. So is that cheating or that person was just on the moment? I want to hear from you.
For me, both.
What do you mean? Elaborate.
Obviously.
Yeah.
Angeke ube kwi-moment nomuntu ongajuli naye. That's cheating.
Okay. But like we always
Yeah,
no, but like how much we're always doing this thing, bro. Especially like about the moon to just because
That's me.
look.
Very loyal.
Look.
Very loyal.
About the chain.
I'm loyal.
Now people are trying.
You guys are
Yeah,
married on this.
yeah.
The question is
Yeah. You mean?
when if you go kiss somebody a group. Okay, let me say umuntu wakho bayixoxa umuntu cheating leyo.
Is it cheating?
Oh, usuka kwi moment yo
Cheating.
Yeah.
So ukuthi
Wait. One person. That's why we never hear the point. Chill. When it comes to you.
for me,
Yeah.
angeke igcine kuleyo moment because makakudilile feel umuntu wakho uyadenka ukuthi leya moment leya ngiyidinga manje uyamthinta umuntu.
No, look, guys, look.
That's cheating.
No, look. You are on the moment. You don't know this person. Or say groove. You don't know this person at all. Ne?
Yeah.
Okay, for example, you know, like a year end, right? There's like it count down like 3, 4, whatever. Let's say you say groove. Then we say Happy New Year. Then you lamza everyone who's closer to you.
Sithole.
Yeah. Okay.
Ngicela ukuthi
That is cheating, ne?
Yeah.
That's fine. And then let me
mina
hear.
yamsekhona shema. Cause Sithole uzocabuza lo somebody loyo ongamazi.
Yeah.
Umcabuze fine ku-moment ngaleso sikhathi.
Yeah.
Khona moment amanye akhethisayo Sithole.
But you don't know this person, people.
No, guys, money ngizweni. Zako ubona isitoko lapha. Let's say siyakuphi. Khona lapho. Italian maybe yabo
Cosmopolitan.
khona lapho.
Indaweni letiphezulu lamabhilidi aseDoors.
Okay, alright, okay.
Yeah. No, exactly. The bookroom. Ubona isitoko uqala usibona khona igroup ngithi sharp uyasibona sihle hayi yafika leyo countdown sithola khona ngayo. Uya straight kuleso sitoko leso yasilabza. Uyambona muhle like akashoti next. Muhle uyamcabuza awuketch sharp usiphume lapho uzokhohlisa wena in your mind. Uhlangane naye kusasekazi akusukuthi seniyafletha no cheating nje. Cheating mabese.
Okay, thank you.
Noyitelo. For mina it's cheating.
Yeah.
Yonke into include ukuthi uyifihle from your partner because angeke uvele uthi yo baby yazi kuseni ngicabuza isibanda. Yonke into Sithole even if it's just a chat sorry kuba off topic but even if it text from somebody
I hear you.
that efuna wena ukuthi uyidelete ukuthi umuntu wakho ungayiboni that's cheating. I don't think kumele sibe caught up kuma moment nje just for fun. Yeah, you are cheating. I moment of cheating. Got the moment of cheating.
Yes. Because the feeling.
For me it's cheating, man. You
And then
know
Ah, that's cheating. Unless if you sing it, I don't think it's cheating, guys. Especially if ever, for example, you said let's say I will call like you guys. Like you're not gonna see this person ever again.
you never know.
That's why I was saying, because
You got
bro, like at the end of the day, we can even say Gucci, Upega, Umuntu is part of cheating.
manje it's manipulation. Uthatha amafutha uwafaka emanzini and mawuthatha amafutha uwafaka emanzini mawubamba so uyabona amafutha uyabona amanzi Sithole ayihlangani nese buti
Nese baba.
so good.
Shout out. Okay, I got it. Guys. Okay, back in the days, right? They used to take like, I want you guys to understand these things because a lot of people don't.
Give us a scenario. Cool.
Okay. A boy reaches 10, 11 years. Take him to the mountain, right?
Yeah.
Being cooked there for like a month.
Trouble level.
Being cooked there for like a month or so.
Yeah.
Come back home. Nowadays, people are saying it's no longer like a thing. Do you guys understand like what was the reason, the main reason of people going to the mountains? Or do you still see a value? Which I'm going to
For me personally,
Yeah.
yeah, I do see values.
Why so?
I feel like angithi society yachachana.
Yeah.
And then you know if umuntu nojabu intwana sasomfana.
Yeah.
And then allegedly yakhulisana.
Okay.
Ngonga-
Yeah.
You know. So for
Yeah.
you see
Yeah.
shooting right
Yeah.
allegedly. So shooting again Sithole do it for umuntu ozombona ezintombi yakho kusasa. Do it for other people. Ibalekile nawe ukuthi ungaveli ujwayeleke nje. Because kusasa niyahlukana nosibani sente nejwabu. You know
But I say, I don't know nowadays that they have introduced clinics and whatnot. But I'm saying being specific to go to the mountain.
No.
Yeah.
For me, no. For me, we are going to use whether of course a clinic you know lapha it's like Sithole uphuza imbamba ngiphuza iblack so dawa ngokufana. ukuthi uphuzeni it doesn't matter. So ukuthi ukhathephi ekusalani uyindoda ukhathile.
Okay, and then brother.
Exactly. Yabona lesikhathi asakhuluma ngabo yamagama esilungu namakhulu. Bengabe khana yisho manje zazi ukuthi mina ngisasibona isidingo shem. Ikhona ikliniki kudala bebayenziswa lento lokuthi okay iname labo bebaye entabeni because iklinik bengekho. So manje angisiboni nje isidingo spending imali shisawe nampahla and buying new clothes.
Okay. I just want to ask. Lapha, I think as much as ngithi akusenandaba ukuthi uyaphila, ukuthi uzuma kakhulu. I think kubalekile. We are entabeni because there are certain things ofika ufundiswe zona. Eclinic they just via. Okay. So I think even though ungasi 100% yabantu abathatha leyo mfundisi abayithola lapho, but I think right cause uphuma knowledge as uyintwana uphuma usowazi ukuthi okay uso.
Okay, cool. And then brother,
I mean both yes and no.
Okay. Elaborate.
Because of like kwamele vele baya because lento le spread iculture. Bafundise ngokuthi vele indoda iziphatha kanjani. Bese on the negative side ukuthi like bakhona abayayo. Dike bafunde ngezinto. Kwenzakalani manje? Sinasazi ukuthi mabafika la babuya ba amadoda. Hayi bo umuntu uyashiya.
Okay. And then
Okay, again, mina ngumbono wami uthi igrand because like
igrand kuya clinic noma kuya entabeni.
Entabeni. Like igrand entabeni.
Okay.
Ngoba abanye abantu bayela i-identity culture, part of culture yabo. Uthi mina mangavele bamibaya ukuthi mina mangwamela uyi. Thola ukuthi ubani udika sibani ubaba ngasibani uyini. Nawe abeluyi. Ngithola ukukhulekisa iculture nomntana wakho na kanjalo. Ngithola ubuye icaba ukuthi yini into right into.
Man guys, especially ukukhatha. Angazi noma ngizobe sengiba off topic na mangithi mina.
Let's cook.
Angeke like lento le ibe much easier mangabe. Okay, manje nesesiphila like uma families angafani. Right? Khona ba rich, khona umuntu obona ukuthi angeke ngize ngi-afford lokuphendula because bathi uyaspend. Mina sengikhulumela mayelana ne-finance. Yabo. Don't you think ukuthi kuzoba easy mangabe okay sharp amadlozi nababake baphile emhlabeni? I think bazo understand so situation ukuthi maybe let's say kithi bekumele bahambise ubhuti wami entabeni. Sharp ube situation ukuthi no sibazohamba bamise kuphi eclinic ukuthi ayokhatha and then bathenge maybe impepho nalawo maswidi maybe bamthengele a pair of jeans neskipa na something new then basho amadlozini ukuthi no asikwazanga ukwenza okukhulu nani but this ikesekwenzile. Don't you think amadlozi azo understand?
Angeke understand amadlozi.
Azo understand people. Okay, mina
should I say something? Okay, you're still talking
culture. Bayile impahla namajini nani njengamaXhosa. Phela amaXhosa mfethu naye cha ukuthi uma umntwana ushe intwanini. Makhotmana adla makhotmanini. Nabo intabeni badla kabo different fana kini abezulu njalo. Nakithi abesuthi njalo.
Phela noma ungaya eclinic so indoda automatically.
Indoda marala
Okay, let me cook for you guys. So the main point
of cooking buffet I want
okay, cool. Let me cook when it comes to intaba and whatnot. So when they say you are intaba and you are a man, they're not saying you have removed your foreskin. No. When they say you went to the mountain, ungasagezi nabo sister, ne? Ungasagezi nabo sister, you are still 11, but they're saying, hey, you must say kids, my sister, mind the window. So this is what happened. So when we go to the mountain, ne, abo mama, they manipulate abantwana. In most cases, abo mama. Yibo bayenza ukuthi umfana tefa. Uyatefa just because umama wenzela almost everything. Uringa nawe ngendlela it is. I was even watching some of the things. Uthola ukuthi kunomfana omncane, ne? But I'm saying ukuthi let's say une like 18 or so. Umama umntana one 13 or so ukhulumeza umama wakhe. Makuvela lo 18 ambamba kanje amphosela ngalo. Kuvela cooperate. So abo mama like abakhona like a mom can't be a dad. You can't teach your son to be a man because when you are a woman, you can't play a role of being a father and being a mom. You are a mom, you are a sweetheart. So Tina, like asmeni, you understand? You have to understand which the life when you there's nobody's gonna nanga you. You will be gonna be nanga by your mom or police. That's how a man treat a boy. You understand? But to me, it's like that's how to see. In most cases, I even watch sports samachit. It's swimming yamantamazan, so we can pay attention. But I thought even each other so because nobody cares too much about watching ladies sports. So we can watch Ipolia. I am kidding, guys. A woman can teach a man to be a man because she's a woman. You understand? So when we go to the mountain, this is what happened. I know you guys, because in Kalichos, maybe you didn't go to the mountain. Let me elaborate these things. Yeah. Being chopped is first skin doesn't say you're a man. When you got the back chair with a mom, like they remove what you grow up knowing mom. And because they remove in such a way with it. Every time mama will tell you, hey, which when you went to the mountain, they're reminding you back to oh, this is what I've been taught. It's not about removing your foreskin. Foreskin is nothing. You go to a doctor, no. You understand? So that's why they say you must go there and become a man. So but they separate you. But I'm not chief. There's nobody gonna name you. You must clean. Because now they are preparing you to the world, which is gonna shit on you. There's nobody's gonna say whatever. So if ever you tell, oh mom, I'm not what, Baba. You must go to Josie, panda yourself, now, and make something of yourself, and then come back home. So that's what happens. That's why nowadays I'm single mothers. Himu mama, himu baba, you can't be a dad, bro. You can't play that role, bro. Whenever you are sweetheart, you do what you do. You get it? Yes. So please, from today you must know, guys, with mama to what you've been taught. Not you just singing songs and everything. They tell you things that your mom she won't tell you.
Oh, so in the Wabanga have a way to settle for skin there, a clinic, and then come back, bigger to my clothes, which we've done this and this because of
it doesn't
financial problems.
You like it you didn't say anything. It's what we go there for. And it's that's why we don't have a feminine energy. You know the feminine energy?
Yeah.
No, but I go, but because you didn't get that like a full goddamn full month of being treated harshly and tell you the world is gonna piss on you, chief. You get? So that's the whole chat of going there. So yeah, man. So I ask you. Yeah. So that's the whole chat. But in other way, it's the same thing. Clinic, it's the same thing. As long as we're clinic, kudos to you. You are a man. but you are not like actually a man. You are like a man because of.
Yeah, man.
So yeah, man. So yeah, man. That's the whole chat is to remove a feminine energy in you and install a masculine energy. So every time when you think on the highest level. So yeah, I wanted to ask you guys about something, guys.
Yeah.
When it comes to rings, right? Rings.
Oh.
Yeah.
That too.
Wedding rings,
Yeah.
piercing rings, nose rings, tongue rings. Like, bro, like, what's so special and what does the meaning of these rings mean, bro? Especially like tongue ring. Yenzani?
Mina personally angikabi ukuthi nje angazi abantu bathanda izinto.
Yeah.
I think ithanda futhi ingcono. Uthola umuntu aphiyese lana, uthola umuntu aphiyese
Even lana.
even la.
Yeah.
But I think le is attractive. No, meaning
Which is a sneaker.
because you know I don't have any piercings like, but yo Lena.
Yeah, because abanye they end up doing the level, you know. So I don't get it. Like, yo, why are you putting piercing at like a sensitive organ, bro?
Simento masegazini, you know when you're processed. You know, like the fun and tattoo. You find umuntu enza tattoo la. And tattoo, like indawo nongeke uzuzicabanga. So I think.
And then Dimples, what's a chat that is going to my tattoos? No, piercings. Your tongue, kuna yenye ba bana ikuvela ma. But it's
That one.
This is mine. Yes.
like, what's going on? Abanye bazenza inkomo motherfucker. Hey, come on, those things ukuthi inkomo mayincane engafuni ukuyeka. Uthi uma wayo azokhona ukumitha. They forgot that thing. So like everyone know man like that thing. Do you even know the meaning of that thing?
Yazi
Siyenza nje.
iyakha senza ukuthi siyachazela.
Just go to the
Ubona ubreak afake iqiqi la yo.
Oh, okay. Which year did
Angangona
you
amathathu emzimbeni.
Ethubalela amathatha.
So Dimples if you were to put a piercings beside like a normal piercings,
Yeah.
ama earrings and whatnot, where should you put it and why?
Mina ngifuna.
Yes.
Nginekhala elikhulu guys, like nginekhala ne-English nose. So
Yes,
I think
English
izoba nje. Wow.
And then
Ay. Mina ukuthi that's why ngilento to ukukhula maybe cishe ngayifaka yi.
Oh, yini?
Yeah, but I feel like it. So
yeah, but this one I think it's got like some a masculine lesbian type shit.
yeah, ngiyangibamba lento le ngithi ngifuna. So but I'm glad ukuthi angaze ngezo.
Yeah.
So
But you said the other one in the end,
it's attractive like mayibona kwi chairs.
Oh,
Like
yeah.
any figure, you know.
Yeah.
You know like
Yes.
Fanini nilapha.
Yeah.
Khona umunye ifayile yini. On some Sundays nje fa
Stomach up,
yeah.
Yeah.
Angisho ukuthi ngiyamkhalela umuntu amzokwada but don't kwat yo. Kemangqobo.
And then when if you were to put it, because you don't even have. Yeah. But if you were to put what, where should you put? Ne?
Yeah.
And then when done.
Ngiyenza into lomsangana right nje la. Ngikuyala ukuthi awama ngafanga ngafanda.
Yeah.
La phela ezinye indawo.
Yeah, but like Nsako is right when she says sometimes kufika umoya. Nami ngagcina I still remember. Hear me out. I still remember. I think really when they released this Kata 3,
Yeah.
2008. When I see this diamond earring, I was like, damn, I'm getting one, bro. So I end up piercing 2 of them.
Yeah.
But like when you grow, you end up like, what the fuck is this? In the chair, come on. Like,
What the fuck is that?
I was like, you get it? I was like, why many found my earring. I know we were fine, but like I was like me personally, I was like, why am I out? Yes, Slovisa. Yeah, I was like, out, man.
You know, how do you guys feeling about tattoo? Yes, it's me, ugly,
I'm tattoos. Me like, yeah. You see, I'm cooking. You see, so I'm tattoos. I think it's tattoo. I once said this to Steph, ne? I was like, cause my mom she had like tattoos and whatnot. Yeah. So I think she written Tereka or something. You know, back in the days when they do the female initiation school, you have to come out there with some names and whatnot. So my mom she got other one written Tereka. Tereka is like, you know, a tea when you put like your tea bag and everything. Then when your tea is fine, they say tereki.
Oh yeah.
So meaning it's part of like how hard she can go. So I was like, I told Sam, I was like, if I can get a tattoo, I can get my mom's. If my mom's is late, I can write terek because I'm a hustler. I know myself, bro. Like I was like, I can only write that thing, written terek, meaning representing here and what I have become. Yeah. So to me, like, it has to be, I can't be putting some badge, even my son doesn't represent any badge, putting some stupid things all over.
Then
you know, one guy once said, like if the beginning, like,
but that do have meaning.
I know what I mean.
You're not even a Leo. You're not like, bro, there's nothing that says Bubes in you, but you're not a Bubes.
And there's no meaning.
There's no meaning. There's a child, you see?
Yeah. But you see, no Batista, you can't. Ngibuza umuntu angithi why bekasazibiza uBatista mina ngakutshela ngathi but like mawumame to Batista you know ukuthi yeah hlangana lesizwe you get okay what's your take when people
Ngithatha igrade as long inemeaning. Yeah, as long nje ucava ukuthi ayingibhalile yeah igrade.
But you can't be having a meaning all over.
Since I was cousin wakhe.
Kabeli igama lami.
Yeah, we know you. Why are you writing your name?
Yeah. So what?
What are you writing down?
Akachaza into vele yafika emqondweni lokuqala ukuthi naye. Thingaloku ngiyistala imali, khipha imali ezishisiwe. Kama lami nyana first chat ukine hard.
No, ubheka umthathu kuleyo moment kadala sithi uzobhala.
Ingenza ngiyisho ukuthi
but you see, that's why you are very much right when you say I wanted to pace myself, then I waited.
You know, guys, I think I'm truly speaking, as much as I feel like I'm falling in love. But I feel like it's peer pressure. Peer pressure, guys. Yeah, you know,
peer pressure.
And especially when you tell like your first tattoo, I think you just go there, just like you know. I think real meaning is an tattoo is too. You know what manje wenzani. Like me personally, I know meaning in tattoo, but I think in the end, then. After I think 2-3 days later, I was like, what we did and but young represents at the same time. I love it, but I feel like it happens or years a month. Tattoo any funayo and there's a meaning whatever. You get peer pressure, man.
And then when
Same.
on the tattoo, are you thinking of touching yourself?
Mina azithola ngifuna ukufaka amazinyo.
Like amathathu, ama-piercing, ama-gold. Guys, peer pressure. You know, once you have these things, especially piercing and such, I feel like, you want to then, ngathi ngavuka kusasa ingasekho. But before you find like, yo, gold plus bekuyilesa sikhathi samagolide. You know, noma ngizwa ubrothers lathi yena ufuna igolide, but like, sasemncane. Like sasemncane uzokhula. Nah.
Okay, siyeke nathi sizwe ngithi sizosona.
Yeah.
My little brother got 4 of them.
Uthi.
Like I just ati apupa. That guy is talking horrors and what the... He says, I dreamt, I put me my gold, put me classy all over. I was like, what are you saying?
Mara liyafika lelo phupho lelo kungathi luwile.
That guy, I was pupad, ne? Aphume wonke ne ngathi aphume namazinyo ngathi ngigcwele igazi ngavuka ngathi hey kwenzakala njani athi aphupha elinye langa ne abantu bathi awile ama-gold wakho bekufake
The while uzoba nale people dom le liwile or both uhlafuna champion, you know that. Le qinile champion. Ko ngathi champion laphuma anamavuka likhona why ngizophutheza like
oh my god. So
yeah,
that guy, he said I dreamt horrible dreams. Aphume wonke aphume namazinyo athi ngcwele igazi emlonyeni. The other time ngaphupha ngathi abantu bathi hayibo akuphe malona ngithi nawo athi asukile ngikuvele.
okay guys, as shifting kancane
Okay.
indabeni zebhola.
Alright.
Sonke futhi siyabuke sonke sifamile with.
Sure.
Yeah.
How do you guys feel ngalama fan lawa like angakwazi uku-accept ukuthi adliwe like afuna ukuvandalize istadium afuna ukuthuka ama-player like how do you guys feel ngalabo bantu lawa?
Let me answer that. Uyazi, you know, sinabantu abadomo. Sinabantu abadomo on the highest level in such a way ukuthi we have stupid. Hey, stupid. Listen, stupid. So we have abantu abadomo, ne? That's why you find out ukuthi sometimes ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs, as big as Kaizer Chiefs is, right? They sell the game. Let's say now they wanna bring maybe like Skukune or they wanna bring another mini team. They are in business, guys. Tina, we're investing emotions on these things, and they are running a business. To them, it's a business. Tina, we are busy killing ourselves, stabbing each other over the Chiefs fan. Never busy.
Yes, mina I feel like yabona bayabheja abantu. And ayabafana nathi abuma bheja ngama-10 rand. Abantu babheja ngeimali eyiserious. It's okay. Yazi noma bangathini. Chiefs straight win over 1.5 goal.
You know what I can say, Tsakone? I think people must stop investing too much emotion because
Emotion.
yes, don't follow soccer in such a way ukuthi kufana ne-wrestling, it's a script. When you follow progress na win. Today bambhalele ukuthi ngeke win. Women still is taking champions whatever. You understand? So if I netball, I think abantu they are no longer looking at these things as an entertainment because it's entertainment. Bona bayithatha ngenhliziyo ukuthi mina wine namhlanje bayazi ukuthi ekhaya angidli namhlanje ngiyalangadlawa. Ucabanga ukuthi abantu base-Kaizer abo Mtawungu abo bantu abobhobhi balala bangadlanga bafana nabo uyi-chicken. Yes. So I think people must be entertained, but they mustn't invest emotions. Of course, ungathenga ijezi lakho elidurayo le-original because you wanna feel good. But don't invest emotions into games because these are games. That's why we are going to watch a game. It's a gambling. So don't gamble with your emotions. That's what I think. That's why stupid people destroy.
Exactly.
Sure, done.
First. Sorry. Lento leyo ifana nokuthini, ifana nokuthi mawukwatile ukhulume like amagama amabi. Ama emotions nje abantu kumele babukele ibhola friends njengokushiya nje.
Be entertained.
Like ayikho right lento leyo.
Now people are watching this thing in anger management.
And vele.
Yeah. Utsako manje kumele abuya lana ekhaya angakhulumisa abantu because Chiefs igame.
Mara manje yabheka uceda ukuyibheja 1000.
Uyabona ayisho
And manje le 1000 bekuyi 1000 lakho lokugibela. Ulithembile ukuthi le 1000 ibuya namanye ama-1000.
But you see, but just being stupid because you can't gamble. Lento leya round.
Akuthi nje uzulu.
Wena manje uthatha 1000 uyazi ukuthi
Ifana ngakho kuma-penalty. Nanoma bangathi nemnandi kanjani. I-penalty
It's something
can't
else.
decide ukuthi iphezulu.
Yeah.
Yawina ku-penalty, you know. Yeah, now I feel like I'm a fans invest too much with my teams. Like bakhohlwa ukuthi kune possibility yokuthi whatever bayifisayo engangayenzeki. So and then mina ngingathanda ukuthi bangayiyeka like because bavandalize istadium.
kusasa niyodlala phi idabi iyadlala kusasa idabi niyodlala phi nina nikhiphe ilona nimoshe izinto nibhenile niyadlalela phi manje
nokulahlela izinto booing players nje uyabona guys like I feel like sithanda ukujudge ama situation esingakaze sibeke you know mase groundini ifana nokuthi ube no coach amelanini ucoach expect ukuthi wena sithola uzophasa mina wena sowubona uzunga vuli the moment athi phasa unsako wena so decidile nenqona ngithi uskelile wabona ukuthi okay nangu uzunga so around njengokusho like anything even kusasa anything can happen sonke mina nge-Chiefs fan and nginalento ukuthi for ukuthi bangishayile ngizobashaya but ngenzela abaphinde bangithele and bangabukisa ngami bangishaye
Siyenzeka lathi sibathela indongo. Injalo.
and then you check on people destroying you know
For mina ibasile bazenza ama-dictate
yeah
Dictate.
because of angeke kuzothi usupport i-team ukuthi ufuna yenze into efunayo yabo because of masingawathatha lama fans sofake egroundini angeke asitike lento leyo wona ayifunayo
yeah
so sometimes you need to
somebody baby
you are right
yeah
Phela siphinde sicabanga ukuthi lo muntu olapha egroundini akaboni yonke into egroundini nje uyibona ngendlela.
Yeah, ifana ne-strike angeke siyibone igame njengogolkeeper.
Ayo,
Ngogolkeeper angeke asayibona igame njenge-strike.
Exactly.
sasa la ukuvandalize izinto do you think ukuthi angithi uma le my head into yakhe ukuthi 5 years and everything do you think if Malema can be taken to jail guys do you think ukuthi singaba ne-looting or anything like that I want to hear your chat on this
Mina personal I think yeah. Like ngaba ne-looting serious because njengoba bekayo zisigwebo sakhe lela la ngikhohle ukuthi ne Jozi bekugcwele Jozi was red even though bebayenza ama peaceful march ayikho into abayimoshile ayikho into but i-Carlton Suns ibivalile like ama customer bangazi ukungena bangazi ukuphuma phakathi bewavalelwe phakathi maybe close to 2 or 3 hours until baze basho ukuthi appeal ngeke service kwabo sakhe aphakathi that's when kuyele kwaba but Jozi was ready bangathi bayamvalela
now I thought we're gonna have like a serious shutdown when
that was the former runaway the whole time I was thinking about it takes uzoyithola like into bengicela cause phela mabangena bangenile angeke uprotect umlungu kusasa uyahamba wena uyakhipha ku system ufaka omunye so angeke uzufele lapho
nakhona into zakhe ezine insurance
you get and when I'm feeling they just email your family sending a press condolences pelile sasa uyazibanele bamfaka ethile
That's true.
you get so yeah I mean I think bekuzoba rough like rough people really love Malema
yo
imagine mabesikhomba ukuthi ba capable ukwenza ngokwenza ama peaceful march what's more
cabanga bathi now is going out the ground ukuthi buyenzekela and then wena
I really think ngasuka kabuhlungu. Yo mfana.
Futhi nje singabuyela ku lockdown.
Mfethu.
enzeni
Yabona le esibuyela kuyo no I know asazi thina sokumetrics sokhupha kanjani. Maybe soba certificate. Awathi lezenzeka no
awenza plan
Yo wena.
bathi fundelane emakhaya but guys do you think if bekungasuMalema okuleya position kuyi just nje local citizen Do you think kubu aphilile basho ukuthi okay kona say serve amayezi wakho ngaphandle? Siphela umalima siphumile isigwebo but 5 years in jail.
No, I think these people are very wise, ne? I think they first saw ilona reaction yabantu. Then bayabona ukuthi you know what? Mo utlongkhamu. Akutlongkha straight. What is it?
Abantu bayamosha you.
Yeah. So now we gonna have abantu babeluta abantu kwenzeka into ebhaya. That's why I realized ukuthi people love madam.
Yeah, bayancane yo.
Yeah. They love the
wena
yeah. On madam maskis.
Yeah, iluthi ngiwine ngatu.
Nawubonga lutho.
Yeah, abingayo.
Utala ngani my friend like konini.
Hayi.
Vele, yazi noma ngiyespanini ngibone le moto ye cash transit le yama fake.
Yeah.
Ngivele ngicabanga ukuthi akasekho lo ibhamuzayo. Ngike ngifike emsebenzini ngiphethe amatawa wami. Ngicela lokushayisa early. Ngiyizwa ne manager mayikhuluma lalela sis. Like yo ngiyafisa yo guys. Kanti why bangayibhomi ngikhona?
Right for ezulu. Ngikho ngicabanga.
Ngicabanga
Wena moyibona ucabanga.
No, but like
it's bo. Inkinga briefcase
maybe inkinga mina I heard lots of gunshots, ne? I know those guys gonna shoot you back. So your life is on the line just for those stupid papers there.
Stupid paper.
Are you willing to bamba the highest level?
If you are so peaceful,
Are you willing to bamba the?
No, guys, impilo
Just mfuka ngemali.
Guys, sasa mawe babomutsa.
Yabona imoto yotshwala, imoto ye paper. Kollega.
So wait.
Within
You guys knows about the pipe and vapors and how addictive it is for somebody to even smoke that thing in classing.
It's too much.
It's
It's too much. Nakhona ipeer pressure.
In my vape.
Yeah,
Is it
because of like
Yeah. The video that I sent you guys. Two girls busy vaping inside the class. But for this
plastic noma khona ya bafaka ukuthi umama ngababoni plan for guys
how addictive is this vapor thing?
I mean, I feel like it's peer pressure. I think minute umuntu angathi uyayibhema engathi addictive ayiwo lama crystal amantontoni. You know mina sithola ngikhule ngiganga ndala ayanda knows.
Hey Ayanda, hey partner in crime, we see you.
Ugayi ngibhemile izolo ayikho bengibhema njengezolo. But mina angazi noma manje ungibona ngabhema izolo. Ngine pipe stone ingaphela nenyanga ngalithinta. Like I think into ozifida nengqondweni cabanga sengihlala ngabhemi nali ngivuka ngilibhekile njalo sometimes iyaba khona iflavor they know ngancamane ngibalinde baby ngibatshela ukuthi ayasibhemeni kusasa ngibheme nabo you know. So for me I feel like into ozifida nengqondweni ukuthi you can't live without something.
Oh, it's scary, bro. Like people
Very next
smoking inside the class like that.
Sekushayisa ama-tools toy.
Yeah, hey, I don't wanna be addicted. Imagine I'm in this book. Ngene apaya kupompora zailo. Mangele every time.
Ukhalela amagugu, ukhalela ukudla.
Isn't it? Like no, oh, you mean it's on? It's on my
Baby.
Isn't it? Yeah, I feel like
Mina ukhalela amagugu, ngathi ngabona amakhekhela.
Ngathi bohle ngathi ngaba nesnake. Sibhaya isnake nyana amagusu. Snake sibhaya.
Amakhekhe, yabona amakhekhe. Yokinto manje ebhenywayo, angazi ngogwayi kodwa.
Okay, guys, something that I wanna ask you before Makima's thing, ne? Is a hairy person. What's your story when it comes to Chabadaba hair? No, but that is not much. She wanted to speak Spanish. She really wanted to speak Spanish, bro.
Uqaphela abantu ukuthi umuntu wakho mnandi bazomthanda.
Aibo, advertise baby love. What's your take? What's your take about our heroine?
What the hell is on it? Bathi bamnandi.
Wena uthi
No, akazi
ingawe le.
Kazi ngajwayela umuntu oheri. Ngithi akekho umuntu oheri. So angeke ngizothi abantu abaheri but nje bathi bamnandi abantu abaheri.
The taxi.
Ubeba ngekho heri.
Hey Harry, hey baby love, hey Harry.
Hey mina sole nami nje sonke sikhule sazi ukuthi ngobona umuntu onoboya hey guys
But wena now
impela ukuthi ibovu iblack kuya ukuthi ibhala kanjani. So angazi
ukuthi uzakuchazela mina
wena uboya khona wena uboya bukho man.
Momnandi umnandi.
and then Dora, your chat. Have you ever had any itoriana?
Yeah, ngingazizwa ituri.
And then your chat.
Support afili nami lento abayisho.
Kuthi
Because into khona vele esiyazi ukuthi abantu abahili bathi bona bamnandi. Yeah. Yeah.
and then
I can relate because I'm hearing. Whoa.
no man, I don't think
Harry Potter
look, I don't think what they were
now
I don't think it's the truth. It's just that it's the superstitions. Why am I saying this? Né? I'm saying this because they wanted Abandaba here to be comfortable. Which man born like or something, or you look different. I don't think, bro. But in Kenya, Rendo push a wrong narrative because I want to. Okay, let's say like we chill. Shama, oh, Esa, ish now. I think it creates a wrong scenario which mind you when you tell which you're a man. Over is fair and she.
yeah
There's no such a thing with it. How we Harry, what. It's just that they wanted you to feel like now we're special. Instead of instead of people bullying you, at least now we something. But I don't think that's
why it's using dealers in this is feed as well.
Yeah, true.
Then stop and go to dance it's all in your head.
it's all annoying.
That's why it doesn't matter to namhlanje ubhala ngepensela ubhala ngale.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Anyway, guys, we came to the end of 10th episode. All the keepers, we thank you for watching till this. Yeah, man, I don't know how many minutes we're in or many hours we're in, but you guys are here, you're still watching. So we really thank you guys. Anything that you
subscribe lapho nenze zonke izinto ngikhohle ukusupport ininja.
Ninja Nation! My Ninja Money! And then, hold on, that's it.
I mean, ufethu Lisiko. Ngiyabona isithola ngafuna ukubiza ngegama bafethu ushilo sithola ngathi because of your routine. Yes. But guys, sihlale sipusha because of even though sivuka maybe kusasa nama view ayi-10 sinini leyo view e1
it means a lot.
It
matters to us.
So yidance ukuthi sihlale sipusha bafethu cela sivakashele Lisiko guest
I think Lisiko she was once on girls chat.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, she been there.
Okay, please, Lisiko, day one of asking you to guest here to we really appreciate your presence. Just appreciate na kuma comment section but not only Lisiko bafethu. Wonke umuntu okommentayo siyanibona guys. We do respond ke. Ngamagama ethu nje abontsako mabuza, abosimphiwe Zumu. Abo people le hero futhi angazi ukuthi ubani but uyasho ukuthi uya respond bafethu siyabonga singathanda futhi nakhona ukuthi nisitshele ukuthi singakhuluma ngani guys siboniseni man ngakhohle ukuthi phila njengenja
Nation guys, we are out of here. And one more thing, I wanted to say something. Just slip my mind. But yeah, man. Okay, I got it. Please, guys, let us know what you think about us calling our super fans to Amakepas, or if you have another special name to call yourself, as Abalandeli, as Amasupporters, guys. Please mention it on the comment section. But for now, Kepas, we are out.